Hi guys, sorry for the late videos lately. I've been quite busy and there haven't been much situations to pop up where a video is really needed, but been searching through the old grandparents' garage, and my grandfather was a electrician, so he has a lot of stuff. So for the international viewers that are not from New Zealand, and know what three-phase power is, these are three-phase extension leads. These are very old three-phase extension leads. These got phased out, I think, in the 80s or 90s, around there, because I don't actually have a three-phase power point with me, a modern one, but these are the old ones, and these don't fit the new ones anymore. So right here, I'm going to just move this out the way. Right here, this is a 15 amp one. So you have the three phases here, and this is your this here is your earth, this metal surface here, and this binds with the metal surface on this one in here, right here. So when you plug each other in, and by the way, this is a centering hole, so you don't muck it up and short things out. So let's plug it in right here. I haven't really plugged in a three-phase plug. See, that's why you need a centering pin, because you can actually get these wrong and actually muck it up, and that's not good. So centering pin's in, plug it in. It's quite a tight fit, because has to be, because it's three-phase and you don't want any loose connections with 440 volts. There we go. So yes, this is a nice big long three-phase extension lead here. It's about maybe almost 10 meters worth of extension lead, around there. This is the old, they're actually the more modern wiring colors, but that used to be blue, red, yellow and green. Later on, as in this one, it's blue, red, white and green. Now it's the same colors really, blue, red, white and green and yellow. So yes, this is a 15 amp version. This is a 30 amp version that it wouldn't be able to fit. I don't think. You can try. Yeah, as you can see, the 30 amp version cannot fit the 15 amp version, which is kind of sad, but let's see. Yeah, no, the 30 amp version cannot fit the 15 amp version. Yes, but this is rated at 660 volts at 30 amps, which is quite a lot. Right here. So yep, the markings are actually a little different in here. So it's 1, 2, 3. That looks like let's pause for a minute. It says F. Not sure what F stands for. This is a special three-phase plug here. I'm not sure what F stands for. It could be a signal, a control for like a contactor or something like that, and the earth is just this stainless steel plate that scrapes onto the plug. It's a pretty shoddy earth connection, but look, it's all you really had. Yeah, no, it's not neutral. There's no neutral on these ones. So F, that may be used as a neutral, but highly unlikely. So these would have been used for mainly three-phase motors, since a lot of, pretty much almost all three-phase motors don't require a neutral. At least they're wired in a really weird way. But yeah, no, these were for use for 3-phase motors. So yes, maybe, yeah, this one's a little different. We've got another one. This is a 30 amp, but without the F terminal. So you got 3, 2, and number 1 here, and that's your screw for tightening down the faceplate to the actual plug. That's your earth connection at the top there, and that would be scraping onto the power point when you plug it in. And most likely it doesn't fit, and that's why they done away with these, because a lot of the 3-phase equipment now, a lot of them is quite universal, so they can all really fit into the same plug instead of having different size plugs for different current ratings. So as you can see, the pins are noticeably thicker for the 30 amp than the 15 amp one. This is the type of cable here. You've got your four cores, 3 phases plus earth, your insulation, most likely asbestos on this one, so better not play around with it too much. But yes, this is your earth terminal up here, just like on this one here. I think the earth is connected inside, but usually the earth wire would come up and go around there, and you tighten that down, that's your earth. So yeah, show you something a little different now. Here is a an incomer, so for the power lines, for the 3-phase cables coming off the street, from the street pole, it would come up to here, through here, and out the back, through here, into the house. And I can open this up for you. Quality products they had back in the day, none of this more so breakable plastic crap they have every day now. Those 3